Hey guys, I'll be unboxing the Razer Blackwidow mechanical gaming keyboard. So in the front is a Razer logo up here and a huge picture of the keyboard. And 3 points down here. Mechanical key architecture, fully programmable keys, and 5 additional gaming keys. So here's a cutout which lets you feel the keyboard. So this is a mechanical keyboard, and many people probably never touched a mechanical keyboard before. It's a good idea to try it out. So as you can see and hear, it's not like a regular rubber dome keyboard. So onto the back, another picture and a few points. And this is a complete lie, because they have chose to use a USB instead of a PS2 port, which limits it to a 6-key rollover, I believe, compared to a PS2 which has N-key rollover. So if you press all the keys down on a PS2 keyboard, all of them will register. But on this keyboard, you can only press 6. So here's a few more points here. That's a mechanical key architecture. So on the side it says expert. I'm not gonna make a joke about all those things. Windows 7, compatible with Windows 7. System requirements, picture, and apparently it's designed and engineered in California. Now, and on the other side, there's a few more points and Razer logo. So this keyboard uses Cherry MX Blue switches, which are more for typing than for gaming, unlike the Steel series which has Cherry MX Blues. You're supposed to do this. Don't know if you can see that, but that's what you do. Man, I messed up a lot. There. So the Cherry MX Blues have a tactile feedback and is very clicky. So inside this box, there lies another box. This protective cover is pretty nice. Unfortunately, it doesn't cover these arrow keys. Why I say it's important? Because as you might be able to see, it's very glossy. I'll show you about that later. Here's an accessory box, I believe, which I can't take out for some reason. There. Which happens to not, it's not an accessory box. Yeah, okay. So the box opens like that, with a package and the keyboard, which is right in here and not coming out. So I put the keyboard aside. So in this, it says for gamers, by gamers, razerzone.com. Oh, it also says open. Yeah, you saw that. So open it up. Awesome Razer stuff. Certificate of authenticity. Quick start guide. And master guide, which is this thick. A lot of pages, but it's in 2 languages. So it's only 23 pages, 23, 22, 22. 2 stickers and product catalog, which is also really thick. Pretty nice. So let's get the keyboard. So, moment of truth. This keyboard is pretty heavy because there's a metal plate inside, and the keys certainly feel different. As you can see on the side, it's pretty thick, and the keys are slightly angled. So I'll move this closer in. So it's pretty loud, and even louder when you fully depress it, which you all will do when you are gaming. So it's not a quiet keyboard by any means, but it does feel pretty good. So here you can see it's pretty damn glossy. So I'll be wiping it down every day. And that's why the cover was important. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.